Hey guys, welcome. Right now I have to finish this dresser right here, and also this chest of drawer that I made. Um, I gotta put the knobs on, and I'm gonna show you a jig that I made for it. Okay, here's the jig that I made. All it is a piece of stainless steel that I found. Um, I put it in my vise and make this 90-degree angle. Then I measured down from here, ½ inch on each of these, where you see from 1 to 11, so I can get the half of 1 inch will be half, and so on and so forth. And then I found that sometimes I have something that I need a ½ inch or a ½ inch, so I put it at a ¼ inch, and each quarter is the center of a ½ inch. Now I'm gonna show you how it works and stop the yapping. So the first thing you want to do is get the center of the drawer, and hope my leg is not in the way. If you use centimeters or meters, it's easier to get the center. So this one has 50 or 54.8. So I measured and I marked 27.4. Now, here's that. You can't see it because it's very, very slight here. But here's the mark that I have. And right here is a little notch, a little V. All I do, I just put it in line with this right here. And I'm in the center of my drawer. Now, because my jig is in inches, I have to take my measurement in inches. And all these drawers are the same. So, that's 7¼ inches. So what I always try to do is make it the closest half or the closest inch. Now, for this, it will be 7 and the quarter is 3 5/8. But I can't get 3 5/8 here. So what I do, I go 7. I can take 7 right here. I can go 7½. I'm gonna choose 7 and just put them all at 7. Put my mark on all the drawers. Now with all of them marked, with the center hole, all I gotta do is push them in and bore the holes. And you want to make sure not to touch the finish with the drill. My drill is on play. Okay, here we go. Oh, this bit, I gotta change it. It's not sharp enough. back. So just be careful. Be careful not to hit the finish with the front of the drill. You just go in and stop. So I have my knobs prepared and I'm about to put them on. Now to get my drawers open, I gotta put my hand under the bottom, get the first one, then the second one, and so on and so forth. So just get my screw, stick it on the inside, and stick it on the inside. I'm just gonna use my hand to put this on. If I push on the back of the screw, the head of the screw, it just goes in like that. Sometimes you might need a screwdriver to tighten it up. And you just screw them up. I think I'm gonna have to use my drill on this one. Just hold the knob. So this one has no thread. So what I'm gonna have to do is just re-thread it. I'll move on to the others. So this one is all done. Now I'm gonna start doing the chest of drawers, and it's the same principle. It's the same principle. Now that's what I'm talking about. I love the design because the lines, it has nice clean lines, and this one was, well, these nice clean lines design was inspired by Pottery Barn. I like their furniture, but I don't think I can afford it. Now for this chest of drawer, for me to know where to put the knobs on the bigger drawers, I'll show you what I do. Okay, in order for me to get the measurement where I'm gonna put the knob on this one, I do kind of like the same thing. I measure from here to here, get the center of this, then after getting the center of this one, which is right there, if you can see that, which is right there, I just go and do the same thing here. Put the mark on the top, and then I'm gonna put the jig and get all the holes. And then I did the same thing over on this side. So let me do that, and I'll get back to you. So there it is. The drawers are all in, and that's the design I was talking about. Nice clean lines. Simple knobs. Simple knobs and a simple design. see if I can get you a close-up shot. The base leg is very simple. The side, the lid, one, okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to do a build of one of these dressers so you can see how it's made. So you subscribe and you'll see how it's done. Have a good one.